What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. We are back at Season 2's house, getting some more siding wrapped up. Today I have a couple things to do. I have the parapet upstairs to wrap up. We need to finish up the siding. All the bats need to go on. We're going to head up there in just a sec. Along with that, we need to finish up the roofing along the top. Now, along with finishing up the siding upstairs, we have to do the roof around this place as well. It's halfway done, still needs to be finished. After that, we can do our flashing. Flashing on the parapet can go down, siding can go on top of that. Proper waterproofing, make sure this place is completely sealed up. As we get closer to December, we are getting a little bit of a winter. Here in California, we don't see a whole lot though. It gets a little chilly, 30 degrees, 35 degrees, no snow, barely rains. We don't deal with water too much, but we do want to make sure this place is watertight. Let's head on up there, have ourselves some fun today. So we have this section right over here to finish up. We have a little piece here that we're going to use to gauge where our runner is going to go on top, get this thing batted out. After that, the only thing we need left is our cap all the way along the top here. We're good to go. Safety first. So now what Fox and I were just talking about is on 2x4 walls, we're using 2x8 for our cap, and on the 2x6 walls, as you can see here, we're using 2x10. So now in order for us to do a 45 detail from the 2x8 to the 2x10, we had to measure out the distance of the 2x8, which works out to 7 1/8. And from there, all we have to do is throw a square on it, 45 over to there. And we know that that's where our cut's going to be on our 2x10 to where our 2x8 runs into it and works out perfectly. You guys will see in just a second. All the glue. Look at that. That's beautiful. Yep. Not all that far off, but yeah, I agree. Take a little bit off the backside to nothing and we'll be set. Today's video sponsor is Tight Bond. Completely kidding. That's me right there.
You like it?
Oh, I love it. I love it. It really doesn't get much cleaner than that. Nice. Nice. So now the cool thing is when it comes to doing siding like this, you kind of get to improvise and use some of your own ideas. All of that has to be done by whoever's doing the siding. So for instance, that little detail right over here where we showed you the 2x10 runs into the 2x8, we just came up with a quick little method to where they join nice and easy, and it came out awesome. The other alternative that we've seen people do is run one square and then the other one butts into it. Looks terrible, and to be honest, I'd never want that on my home. So it's always nice to be a little bit creative and kind of go nuts and make it happen. Get a little close-up shot on that detail right there. So we've got this little 45 here on our corners, and that flushes this out perfect with our cap. Beautiful. Everybody wants to know how you keep your hammer in a backpack.
How it doesn't fall out?
What?
How it doesn't, or why I do it?
Why and how?
It's easier to just grab it and pull it out. Tell me, it banged my knee too many times. I have bad knees. To say as a skateboarder, if a thing hits me in the knee one more time, I'm gonna freak the f out.
We are about out of primer. Product placement. It's everything. To clear things up, Titebond did not sponsor this video, but Titebond did send me a bunch of free glue. So thank you, Titebond. Completely honest with you guys, it is windier than heck right now. I'm not sure any of this audio is going to pick up, but in the case that it doesn't, I'm gonna throw some really nice music on here for you. We're gonna keep on trucking. Having kind of a short day today, not a whole lot going on. We're gonna try and wrap up this little bit of siding right here, bat all this out. Hopefully we'll be done up top, down the staircase, and we can keep on working the outside of the building. Let's hop back to it. So I have no idea how bad the audio sounded up there. All I do know is that I wasn't able to record a whole lot because of the wind damn near blowing my camera over non-stop. The lens I've got on here and the body itself is not worth having it flop over. So we are going to stop the video here, pick up tomorrow. We're gonna finish wrapping up the siding up top. Hopefully be looking a little bit more complete by the time we're out of here tomorrow. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and flash forward to tomorrow in 3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? Continuation of yesterday. It got so windy yesterday. Here in California, we don't get much of a winter, but man, that wind was ripping. If you guys haven't already, smash that subscribe button down below. Hope you guys enjoy the content. I am shooting everything on a DSLR from now on. GoPro just announced the GoPro Hero 8. My GoPro Hero 7s, I have broken 3 of them and I am done. I refuse to buy any more. The GoPro Hero 8, I just pre-ordered. October 1st, they just announced. October 15th, it ships out. You guys will see it as soon as it gets here. For now, let's get some tools out, start working.
Well, since I'm getting lunch out of it, I'll keep it to a minimum. Right now, cut some paper off for the stairs so it doesn't look bad. How was your day? I'm listening loud and clear right now. Oh yeah? That's pretty interesting. Oh yeah? Well, I went to Rolling Loud concert in the Bay Area. Saw good rappers, G-Eazy, Young Thug, Trippie Redd, S.O.B., Shoreline Mafia, a lot of other people that I recorded but don't remember of. It was a lot of fun.
We'll cut this in on a 45, run that side wild, mark that side, and we only got one shot.
Plants or some
Camera first.
Here, let's go.
Okay.
24/7.
It is so freaking windy. I don't know what audio is gonna stick and what's not, but we're gonna make the best of it. You guys will get to see some more footage as the day goes on. I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker. The wind has finally died down enough for us to work. We're wrapping up some roofing right now to where we can keep on going with our siding. I'll do a quick walk around after we're done working now. Show you guys what's been done. What's going on, guys? So we finished up our day here. It's, what time is it? 4:03. So that wind got so bad that I couldn't even keep my camera on a tripod without it falling over. Figured I would give you guys a little show of what we did. That way you can stay up to date. So we wrapped up everything inside of here. It was time to hop out here. My dad finished up roofing all of this today. We added all of our Z-bar along here, got all of our waterproofing taken care of. Now the bad part is the lumberyard only had enough 313, this Z-bar right here, that goes up the wall, down, over, and out to do the front section from there over to there. Now we could have gotten a lot farther had they had it, but it doesn't get in until tomorrow. Once we get all of our Z-bar in, we can wrap up from here all the way over, down that section, finish all this, along with finishing out this section here. We're not far off though at all, and what Fox did for all these pieces is found a nice common number and cut the heck out of one number. As long as our bottom cut that lands on the Z-bar looks nice and clean, we have nothing else to worry about, as we have that one bat that runs all the way across underneath our handrail. But that is all we have time for, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up, drop a comment down below, say what's up, turn on post notifications if you haven't already. We've got a grip of you that have them, but I can see who doesn't. Quentin, help me out, buddy. Help me out, buddy. We will catch you next time.
See you in the next one. What do you mean?
Bang on.
Oh, bang on.
Gosh.